love it?
Yeah, you go like that.
Yeah.
It's happy.
Happy.
Is it your happy birthday present?
Uh-huh.
Do you want to open your gifts?
Uh-huh.
You have a couple gifts to open, huh? Here, you can sit on your happy birthday chair. Let's turn it around, okay? Okay, let's put the chocolate here. Okay, you want to open, let's see. You want to open this one?
Happy.
Okay.
That hurts. Hurts.
It has hearts on it because we love you. Okay, can you open it? Take off the paper.
The purple.
Here, do you want Mama to help you?
Uh-huh.
Try to rip it off. Okay.
What are those, Molly? What are those? What'd you get?
Hair. Oh, Mommy.
Did you get some paper?
Love.
Thank you.
What are those, Molly?
Dad. Mommy.
Thank you. What are they?
What are they, Molly?
Are they colors?
Colors.
Mommy.
Can you say colors?
Markers.
Nuggets.
Show Mama what you got.
Mommy. It's a red. It's tight.
Okay, do you want to get your other presents? Get your other presents. Okay, get your other presents. You want help? Okay, I'll help you. Yeah. Molly, here you go.
Okay, let's put your colors right here on your thing, right here.
Here you go, Molly.
Okay, are you going to open your other present? You want to sit on your chair? Can you open the rest of that? Oh!
Whoa!
Happy.
Happy birthday! What are those, Molly? What are those?
What did you get?
What are those?
Did you get some pretty bows?
Are those bows?
Did you get
Can you say,
pretty bows?
Molly, can you say bows?
She's like, I don't care about the bows, I just want my markers. Oh, pretty. You like the colors? Okay, do you have one more gift? Do you want to open it up? Do you like your pretty bows? Okay. Are your presents right here? Okay. Okay, can you open it? Good job, the fun part.
Good job. Keep going.
Here, pull it out. What is it? Is it
Stuck.
stuck?
Good job, Molly. Oh, what is it?
It's not I do.
Pull it out. Pull it out.
What is it?
Hamburger.
Shirt.
There's
What's on the shirt?
Look at it. Look. What's on there?
What's on it?
Open it up. What's on there? Can you open it up? What is it?
Oh, it's young time.
Oh, let's see. Is there a bird?
Oh, it's a bird.
Oh.
Oh, get back to your markers.
Eggs.
All right, happy birthday, Molly.
Mommy, I do.
Can you
You
say happy
love
birthday,
these?
Molly?
Happy day, yes, you. Happy day to you. Happy day to